right, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, power up.
Qualification match 55 on Carver here in Houston, Texas. 580 Viking Robotics. They have a cube and they place it. Red Alliance takes their switch. Blue Alliance takes their switch. 100, the Wild Hats from Woodside High School. They place another cube in there just for good measure for the Red Alliance. Both alliances are able to take possession of their switches. However, look up the scoreboard there. Blue Alliance does not have a dot above their score. What does that mean? Even though they took ownership of their switch during the auto phase, one of their robots may not have crossed that auto line. It takes all 3 robots to cross that auto line to get an auto quest. They left 1 ranking point on the table. Blue Alliance now takes ownership of the scale in the middle of the field. That's 2556 radioactive roaches from Niceville, Florida, placing the cubes up there. The roaches grab another cube and they place it in their switch, just making sure they own that switch. Both alliances own their switch. Blue Alliance owns the scale. Radioactive roaches come over, grabbing cubes and starting to place them on the Red Alliance's switch, doing a little prevent defense. Blue Alliance plays a boost power up. They own the switch, they own the scale, so they get double the points off the scale and switch for 10 seconds. 198 to 166, still a relatively close game. Blue Alliance has the lead. The Wild Hats for the Red Alliance from Woodside High School. That's Team 100. They're placing cubes up there. Blue Alliance trying to keep ownership of that scale. 2556 radioactive roaches placing the cubes up there. 6502, they've got one of those launchers. They launch a cube up there. Blue retains the scale. Red Alliance plays a boost power up with 1 power cube. They get double the points of their switch for 10 seconds. As we go into the end game, it's still a very close match. 301 to 278. Any alliance could take this one. Viking Robotics for the Red Alliance, that's 580. They're lining up, they've got a hook, they're climbing, slowly coming up. Their alliance partner 100, the Wild Hats. Looks like they're gonna try to grab from the side. 13 seconds left, they have to hurry up. Blue Alliance is up, 2556 radioactive roaches. They have to be up there by time equals 0, which is in about 2 seconds. 2, 1, end of match. For the Blue Alliance, 2556 radioactive roaches. Looks like they were clearly high enough. 580, they definitely overexceeded how far you had to go. They're about 3 feet up. All you have to do is get above that brickwork and you got 30 points. On Carver, qualification match 55 goes to the Blue Alliance. They get 2 points for the win. They did not get the ranking point for the auto quest at the very beginning.